Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mahoning, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Indiana County in east central Ohio, northwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northeastern Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees.
Oh, jeez.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, north central Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, central Carroll County in east central Ohio, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northeastern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 7. Central Ohio, Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Northeastern Belmont County in East Central Ohio, Northeastern Tuscarawas County in East Central Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in East Central Ohio, southwestern Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, northeastern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, southwestern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, northwestern Belmont County in East Central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in East Central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. County in northeastern Ohio, central Lorain County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.